Good morning, Wake County. It's Wednesday, September 10th, and I'm Steve. Thanks for starting your day here. And stick around until the end for today's dad joke. It's a fresh one you won't want to miss. Let's get started with your weather. NOAA says today will be a bit cloudy and cooler than usual, especially to the east. There's a chance of light showers tonight, so if you've got outdoor plans, maybe take that walk earlier in the day. And coming up later, I'll share a hometown story from Garner that'll make you smile. Now to Wake Forest, where the community is grieving. WRAL reports that Erica Lucas, the wife of Wake Forest High's football coach and a former Rollsville High principal, has died after being shot at her home. 2 teenagers are now facing murder charges. ABC11 adds, she wasn't even the intended target. Families across Wake Forest and Rollsville are shaken by this loss. In Cary, the News and Observer says police found a man's body at Crossroads Plaza Monday afternoon. Investigators are still working to figure out what happened. It's unsettling when something like this turns up in such a busy shopping area. Let's pause for a moment of grandfatherly wisdom with today's Steveism. Warm coffee, open windows, softer opinions. Sometimes that's all it takes to reset your day. Over at Cary High, WRAL says a student was charged after bringing an airsoft gun to school. Nobody was hurt, and there wasn't a lockdown, but the incident rattled students and parents. Just a reminder that even replicas are taken seriously on campus these days. And on the topic of safety, Hoodline reports Wake County is marking National Preparedness Month with free emergency kit giveaways and hands-on workshops. It's all about helping families get ready for storms before they arrive. Build a kit, know your plan, and stay safe. And yes, don't forget, that dad joke I promised is coming up at the end. Looking ahead to something fun. Triangle on the Cheap says Gizmo Brew Works in Raleigh is hosting a free Oktoberfest bash on September 27th. Live music, craft beer, and plenty of family-friendly fun from noon to 9 p.m. Sounds like a perfect fall Saturday, and here's the pride story I mentioned earlier. WRAL reports that Garner is home to a one-of-a-kind go-kart track, the only one of its kind in the world designed and built right here in America. A local designer dreamed it up, and it's become a point of hometown pride. Proof that world-class ideas can come straight from our own backyard. And now, your dad joke of the day. My sister bet me $100 I couldn't build a car out of spaghetti. You should have seen her face when I drove pasta. Sometimes a laugh is the best way to fuel your morning. By the way, if you like true crime stories, check out my other podcast, True Crime Cases You Haven't Heard, over at truecrimeunheard.com. Until next time, stay safe, stay curious, stay subscribed, and don't forget, you can sign up at tapyournews.com to get an email when new episodes drop. Remember, you can just say, play Good Morning Wake County podcast on your smart device.